What's going on, guys? This is Joe at Outdoorsmans. I wanted to go over how to install the Outdoorsmans leg covers. It's a real simple process, but what we've run into quite a bit is customers trying to stretch these out over the bottom of the leg here, over these cam levers, and trying to pull them on from the bottom. It's not the best idea because you can stretch these things out a little bit. So the best way to do it is just to take the leg off the tripod itself, and then roll these on from the top down. So what you do is you take a 5/32 Allen wrench. I like to roll the tripod onto its side here, a little bit easier to work with, and break that loose. Now these screws are going to be installed with a little bit of blue Loctite, so it can take a little bit of elbow grease to break that Loctite loose, but it's service removable, so you shouldn't have a problem. And then what you want to do is just kind of roll these things over the top. If they don't, upside down. How many times have I done that? There we go. Then you just slide that down over the top. And then place the leg back on the trunnion there. And try to get that screw back in. And then tighten her up. Pretty simple install. And there you have it. These leg covers are awesome. I use them on my tripod. It helps with cold weather, helps keeping dust off these to quiet the tripod down a little bit. And with the new colors, orange, Ranger green, and desert tan, they also look pretty cool too. So give us a call, 1-800-291-8065, or find us online at outdoorsmans.com and get you some today. Thanks.